Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the Bitcoin update. And now we have Bitcoin that is trading at $84,303. Now there's one thing that I've noticed, and that is Bitcoin today is probably about to move up. And there are some few things that I want to show you, which are going to be probably 3 to 4 different things I want to talk about, right? Now, the first thing is going to be that Bitcoin is breaking above this one resistance that it has failed to break above from, right? So you have that little bit of support and resistance that you're looking forward to. Now, the moment you can see that we are really breaking out, and it's a very small, tiny detail that you have to look at, and that is this rejection here. You had a wick up with a fake breakout. And if you notice, there's one very tiny candle, the first candle that has a bullish closing above this trend line finally. So you can see, to me, that is this little bit of a break right there. Okay, it's a very small little break, but indeed a break. Now, I do think we have a move down to $83,297 probably on Monday. And then once everything is said and done, we can actually see Bitcoin moving up to $94,000. So that's the first thing I want you to look at. And the second thing is, if you do go up to 94K, you're going to be met with this resistance here. And if you break above it, you're good to move up to $114,000 because of the first bottom and the second bottom, the double bottom on the 4-hour time frame. All right, so that's the second thing. Number 3 is, we are in the middle of the month, and this comes with experience. There's no any technical analysis on this one, but normally what I notice is in the middle of the month, especially when you come from a downtrend or correction, huge correction, a lot of time you will notice that the middle of the month is when you probably reverse down if you're in an uptrend, or you reverse back up if you are in a downtrend. So you are in the middle of March now. It's 16th of March. And there are good chances we see reversal back to the upside, especially for altcoin. Another thing is the weekly. Today is Sunday, and you're about to close the weekly time frame, and you can see the Bitcoin in the next 23 hours. If you close even above 82,000K, I would even say closing above 81,290 is going to be very, very good, because you have this bullish candles here, and then next week we will probably see another move back to the upside. And also the 55 EMA has been respected successfully, at least until we do not close above that thing, and we will be in an uptrend, right? So Bitcoin still would be in an uptrend. We've seen Bitcoin touching that, making that bull cross, and the first time it came to the 55, it bounced off here 2 times. And now this is the first bounce. Maybe there could be another consolidation, and then finally make another leg to the upside. So that's all for the video on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.